Let me accept more. Honey. Yo, 10,100 people are watching me. I wish we were just all watching each other and we were having like a big, like a big talk about something. I don't know what we were having a talk about, but we were having a talk about something. Yeah. Also, I think I'm going to dream about this. Like, I think everything that I do in the evening, I dream about it in the night. It's crazy. It's crazy. Sometimes you see yourself naked in the dream. You're like, okay, what's happening in front of 10,000 people? Hi everyone. Hello to everybody that's a girl and a boy. Girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine, hey, Batong. Ash-Ley. Ash-Ley. There's so many Ash-Ley people on this app, right? Howdy, how you doing? Yo, I missed just like, I actually can't say that I miss being around you guys because I don't know what that feels like. In all honesty, I just felt like I was living in a house, Felt like I was living in a house. There was no cameras. I was just doing everyday things. That's how it felt. But if there's a time where I actually can see maybe like there's a camera in front of me and I got a certain amount of time to do things, I'll be so awkward, Shame. Like now I'm so awkward. Like it gets weird. And now I got a TikTok cap on me. Hey now. Teboho sent that. Pablo. Sibulele. You know the thing when you have to read like something out in your mind because if you read it and then you say it out and you sound illiterate, I'm so scared of doing that. Imagine doing that. No. Didn't they say I'm dumb? But low-key I am. Like I'm a little bit dumb. Just a little bit, no. Not too much. Dance for you all. How can I... Guys, my dancing low-key sucks. Especially, when it sucks. It sucks when people ask me to dance. That's when my brain doesn't align with my legs. But if I'm just like having fun by myself, if I'm just having fun by myself, then the moves they'll come naturally. But then when someone tells me like dance, it doesn't work out. But when I was younger, I always wanted to be a tap dancer because Michael Jackson. That's why I always wear like school shoe looking shoes. I don't know, makes me feel like I could have been, but I never was. Could have doesn't count. Speak Zulu. You see, whenever people ask me to do things, it just does not register. Let's watch. Yeah. Not me sitting with lip gloss. You'll not know where I got this lip gloss from. Even me, I don't know. I just one day, I never ever wore lip gloss before. Like I just saw people putting on lip gloss and I was like, that looks nice on their lips. This was when I was in the house and I was with other people. I never wore it before. Then I saw other people putting it on and I was like, this actually looks really nice on people's lips. Then I put it on. And then I saw it and it started making people's lips glossy and shiny and I was like, yeah, I've been missing out. I started using it along with the blush, which wasn't a good idea, but we learned now. We're trying. I took those negative comments and I turned it into something positive. The blush. The blush is not the... I thought it, I'm not that bad with makeup. I kind of know what I'm doing. I must put foundation, then I must put powder, then I must put eyeliner and something on my lips. But I thought the blush was looking nice. Okay, I guess I overdid it. It wasn't looking nice. It wasn't. It was looking bad. But I had to see myself on TV. I was like, yo. But it gave 80s. You know those ladies of the 80s? Yeah, it gave, if I was in that era. Unfortunately, 2025. And it didn't work. Someone said, can I answer? I didn't see the question because it's coming so fast. Don't you try this. Don't you dare. The extensions, where are the extensions? They're somewhere in my room, that side. And I'll be using them again. Because I don't actually feel comfortable with my hair being short. Because I've never had short hair before. But the extensions, nah. Not now. I'm still enjoying my head being free without anything attached to it. Yeah. I'm doing that for me. Except oh man, like I see only positive comments, literally only positive comments, and I love it for me. Just the positivity, the optimism. It's really giving us that refreshing vibe. 2 million, 2M. What about 2 million? We love 2 million likes. Oh, I thought you were talking about 2 million, like the game prize money or something. My bad. Tutorial. I don't think I can do a tutorial because then I'm not a professional. And I'll be teaching the wrong thing to people. Like, we wouldn't want that now. We wouldn't want people walking around with Ash-Ley's makeup on their faces. Guys, Ghana and Nigeria. Like, yeah, I think that's my other homes now too. Literally. And Botswana too. She's Zulu and yellow. Tell us about. Okay, no. Now I'm gonna go and look for how I can answer comments. But now they must stop. How do I pause? Huh? Blue. I don't know. Sending love from Botswana. Okay, thank you very much. Sending my love back to you. Very much love from me and God together. Tata winner girl. Hey now. I'm so happy to see you on live. It's my first time seeing you on live. Love you so much. Love you so much too, Melda. Love you in Cape Town. Siamtana Dlamini. You love my voice? Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. The blush used to eat. Yo, okay. If it used to eat, then we're gonna prepare meals now. From now on, we're gonna be preparing meals. Namibia, wow, and Zambia, guys. It's called Ash-Ley International. Fine.
Oh my word!
The Lord has helped.
Hi Ash, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm good. Oh my word, I've been waiting. Okay, let me not waste your time. Can you please just make me a moderator so that I accept people? Falsy sent me and I've been trying to get you all this while, but I couldn't get to you because the whole panel was full. Can you please make me moderator so I can accept people for you, people that are going to focus on you, because we want to hear more about you, more about your brand, more about your plans, and more about what you want us to support you in. You know, we want to know more about you.
Okay, no problem. I think
Okay, I think it does, but I don't think it allows me to actually add people. I'm not sure about that. Did you tick all the boxes of what a moderator can do?
yeah, everything is blue. Okay, well, live recordings. Yeah. Pin, yes, okay. Now I think it's there.
Okay, because the only thing that I need is to accept people that are coming to the panel. That's all I need to do.
Okay, no problem. I think now you're on now. You're on like Donkey Kong.
Okay, let me check. Let me quickly check that. Okay, I'm still not getting it. But it's fine. Can you please try and accept another person while I'm on the panel? Let me see if you can accept 2 guests. Then I will be trying to figure my way out here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you see now. You can accept the other person. Okay. So please try and add another guest.
Yeah.
Try and add another guest so that they can talk to you. No, it's fine. It's fine. Don't panic. Okay. Chantel, it's your time now. Please use your time wisely and ask important questions, my dear. It's your time, Chantel.
Hi, Chantel. Hi, Chantel. How you doing?
It's okay. Chantel is gone. Please get another person.
Down. Rue. How, Chantel? Ndab.
Ru is here.
Hi, Rue. Can you hear me? Do you hear me? You can't hear me. Guest out. It's tripped. Gone.
Okay, guys, if you're not gonna use your time wisely, we're gonna get other people because you guys are really wasting time and there's a lot of people in queue. Ru, we're putting you down. Ash-Ley, please go for another person, mama.
I'm okay in yourself.
I'm good at you.
Yo, I've been laughing.
I'm so sorry.
You're so strict. But anyways, Ash-Ley, I just wanted to say that I love how you put God first in everything. That was it's something that is the best thing that one can do. Put God and then the rest follow. I'm your biggest fan. I was there by Twitter screaming. I've never cried for a stranger like I did for you.
Oh.
Like literally, I was crying. I'm like, oh my God, but it's all in the past. I wish you all the good things. May God carry you. All the best for the future. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bongi.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's a pleasure, Nogu. Ash, you can take your next guest, mama.
Thank you.
Hi,
Hi, Ellie.
how are you?
I'm good in yourself?
I'm good. I'm here with my little brother. He's been wanting to talk to you.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, how are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you so much for speaking to me.
That's so cute.
Oh my God, he's nervous. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
Thank you, Ellie. Let's get our next guest. Guys, I need people that are going to come up here and ask about Ash-Ley's brand, what she wants to do, the work that she wants to be involved in, the brands that we need to take. Come on, guys. Please come and use your time wisely. Use your time wisely because we are building a brand here. Okay? This is about Ash.
Mommy, is Ash-Ley? Hi. Ash-Ley, my family loves you, girl. We love you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank
Girl, can't wait for you to get out here and get those brands, achieve all your dreams and everything. We behind you 100%, whether you in a shop, out of a shop, we love you, girl. We here, 10 toes behind you. God's blessings over your life. Sharp girl. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I like that. Oh, yeah. Next person. Next. Laura. This is making me so emotional, guys. I think I'm gonna cry. I'm kidding. Hi, Laura.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm so excited. All the love from Botswana.
So if you just type whatever you want to type, and then if you like here, we see your question, I'm just gonna ask it. Vulga, yes.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Can you hear me? You know what's the thing? I don't think that she can hear me.
Vulga, can you? Oh, come on, Vulga. Can you?
Yeah,
My
yeah.
lady, please stop screaming and talk to her. At least.
Bongi.
Oh my word.
Hello.
Ash-Ley.
Hi. How are you? How are you? Thank you for the swan. Thank you so much for the swan.
Okay, Vulga, thank you so much. Yeah, my friend, you're gonna have to hold yourself because we are out of time.
Hi. Thank you for all the love.
I love you so much, Ash-Ley.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate.
Why do I have to be the devil's advocate today? Oh my word. Why me? Okay, Vulga, keep on screaming right there. I think I'm gonna go. Ash-Ley, can you please answer?
Thank you.
Yeah, she heard you, Vulga. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, my lady. Oh, yo. Oh, God.
Bye so much.
It's money. You can redeem it as money.
How do you do that?
I don't know, but you just go to, I don't know, gifts. I think you should have a PayPal account.
Damn.
And then you can redeem that as money.
Oh, nice. That's very nice. Thank you so much.
I love you so much. Let me give others a chance. We
I love
are on
you
5
too.
million likes.
Pardon?
We are on 5
5
million
million.
likes.
I see
Yes.
that. I see.
Oh, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Right, guys. Next one. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Who do I accept next? Let me see. Unati.
Still in that connection or what? With her? Are you still gonna connect with her?
I don't recall saying that. Maybe I did say it, but I don't recall saying it. But if that we cross paths, I don't mind if it's not a bad thing. But if it's not gonna, I mean, if she'd like to, then I'm open to it. But I actually don't recall that conversation. Yeah, but
I think on your side she would love to be friends with you.
on her side, yeah,
Yes, on the side.
I'm open to any